Hi, I'm Cece. Today I'm trying a new pie recipe and it's a Jello pie. It's no bake, it's supposed to be really easy. I hope it is and I hope my family will like it. It only has 3 ingredients, 4 if you count the water. It has Jello, Cool Whip, and the graham cracker crust, and of course the water to make the pie. So I hope you'll enjoy this video and I hope you're doing great. So without further ado, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make your Jello pie. I'm using strawberry Jello. You'll need a 3-ounce box of Jello, your favorite flavor. You'll need 2/3 a cup of boiling water, 1 cup of ice water, 8-ounce whipped topping, and a graham cracker pie shell. I'm doubling my recipe and I'm using a 6-ounce box of strawberry Jello. And I'm just doubling everything else that goes in it. So to your Jello, you want to add your boiling water and stir until it's dissolved. Once your Jello is dissolved, you want to add your cold ice water and mix that really well. And then you'll whisk in your whipped topping. After you whisk in your Cool Whip, you want to put it in the refrigerator in the bowl for about 30 minutes before adding it to your pie crust. I'm sorry, I thought I had filmed this. Either it didn't film or I didn't cut my camera on, who knows. But then after the 30 minutes, you just come and pour it up into your pie crust. And once you pour it up into your pie crust, you want to let it set for about at least 3 hours in your refrigerator before cutting into it. And it was really good. It was very light, fluffy. My family did like it. And it's like eating fluffy Jello. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. And until next time, bye y'all.